Your SUV isn't just transportation, it's your family's road trip partner, your daily workhorse, and sometimes even your escape vehicle when life gets stressful. But here's the truth most dealerships won't tell you: not all SUVs are built to last. Some start falling apart after just a few years, costing you thousands in repairs. That's why today, I'm revealing 13 SUVs you can buy in 2025 that are so reliable, you'll practically forget what a mechanic's waiting room looks like. And before we begin, I want to make a quick, personal request. Creating these videos takes hours of research, editing, and production. Every subscription helps me cover my college fees while continuing to bring you car advice that saves you money. So, if you'd like to support Gear Specs and protect your own car, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps. Alright, let's dive into the SUVs that will give you peace of mind for years. 1. Toyota RAV4. Toyota's reputation for bulletproof reliability shines with the RAV4. Owners consistently report minimal issues even after 150,000 miles. It's not flashy, but if you want an SUV that just works, this is it. At number 2, we have the Honda CR-V. It's smooth, efficient, and honestly, incredibly durable. Many CR-Vs last well over 250,000 miles with just basic maintenance. That's exactly why it's one of the most trusted family SUVs in America. Coming in at number 3, the Lexus RX. You know, luxury and reliability rarely go together, but the Lexus RX is the exception. It delivers premium comfort while also maintaining Toyota's legendary long-term dependability. Number 4 is the Mazda CX-5. Mazda might not be the first brand you think of when it comes to reliability, but the CX-5's engineering has proven to be rock solid. Affordable repairs and a long life make it a hidden gem in the SUV world. Number 5, the Subaru Forester. With standard all-wheel drive and a reputation for lasting through harsh conditions, the Forester is a favorite for outdoor adventurers who also want peace of mind. Number 6, the Hyundai Tucson. You know, once dismissed for being cheap, Hyundai has really transformed its reliability game. The Tucson now comes with one of the best warranties in the industry, plus great long-term durability. Number 7, the Toyota Highlander. It's a bigger SUV that's still worry-free. The Highlander combines Toyota's durability with three-row practicality, making it honestly one of the most reliable family haulers out there. Number 8, the Kia Sportage. Kia's reliability has skyrocketed over the last decade, and honestly the Sportage is proof of that. It's affordable, fuel-efficient, and built to last well past 200,000 miles. Number 9, the Honda Pilot. Need space without constant repair bills? The Pilot delivers. Families love it for its comfort, while mechanics, well, they barely get to see it. Number 10, the Toyota 4Runner. This is the SUV that honestly just refuses to die. The 4Runner is legendary for crossing 300,000 miles, even under tough off-road use. It's basically indestructible. Number 11, the Acura MDX. This luxury SUV carries Honda's reliability DNA, which honestly is a huge plus. The MDX blends premium comfort with an engine and transmission that are known to outlast rivals by years. Number 12, the Nissan Rogue. Recent models of the Rogue have made major strides in reliability. It's actually one of Nissan's most dependable vehicles today, and it comes with low ownership costs, which is always a win. 13, Toyota Land Cruiser. If you want an SUV that can outlive you, this is it. The Land Cruiser is famous worldwide for surviving deserts, jungles, and city streets without breaking down. See the pattern? Toyota and Honda dominate this list for a reason. Their engineering is focused on long-term ownership, not just quick sales. And by choosing one of these SUVs, you're buying freedom from costly breakdowns and constant headaches. Now, I want to hear from you. Which SUV do you trust the most? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every one of them. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to Gear Specs. Every subscription doesn't just support the channel, it helps me continue paying my college fees while bringing you money-saving car tips every week. Finally, if you think these reliable SUVs are impressive, wait until you see our video on the 10 cars that last 500,000 miles with no major repairs. That one will blow your mind. Click here and I'll see you there.